Camp 26 here, just your tips and tips and hobbies. We got the Big Tree Tech device for the p1s. That's the Bamboo Lab printer. We're just going to touch screen it here, and this is what it looks like. We've got it on sport mode, and you can change it to standard, ludicrous, and silent mode. Here's the home button right here. It shows you all the specs of what I'm printing, shows you the printer. And I have this hooked up to the computer actually for the USB through Wi-Fi, and it works very well. I wouldn't recommend hooking it up to the printer itself. You could damage the USB port by doing that. I would recommend by computer only. Then it's got this button here, gives you the bed nozzle temperatures, and the speed is right here. You can change it right there. That's the speed right here. You go down to here. That's the device itself, all the settings and stuff, and your network down here. That's where the device is. There's two things you want in this. And let me go to the fold. Let me go to here. You want to have your access code and your Wi-Fi setting in there, and your computer, your the name of the serial number of the p1s, and to configure this to get it set up. Make sure you look at the access code, and that's on the printer itself. You have to look for the access code, and you'll find it under the settings there. But do have it hooked up to your computer by Wi-Fi. It's a lot easier and a lot less frustrating. I hope this video helped you. I know it's not much technical wise, but I'm working with this, and it works pretty well for me for now. Have a good day. God bless you, and thanks for watching.